So take your outer right section, cross it underneath, joining it into that left section, and then gather a 1-inch wide section of hair and then cross it underneath into your left section. It's time for the transformation. Now begin by securing your hair. Now on your last pull through, cross your elastic at the top of your ponytail and only pull your hair partially through to create a little bun. Now take your ends, bring them towards the left and loosely twist them once counterclockwise while bringing them over the top of your bun to the right.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble, when he's around my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love